First, listen to both tracks and compare the difference. Which performance would you prefer? Let's look at the score. In the beginning, it's marked è leggerissimo, which suggests that to play a passage very lightly. For some people, including me, who can't reach these over an octave chords on the left hand, might easily focus too hard on rolling the chords evenly, which might result in heavier and dragging effects. That's why Guanting had some troubles playing with me. But it's okay to roll. So, do we have a solution? Roll bottom two notes lightly right before the downbeat. Aim for matching left hand thumb to the right hand melody or chord. Start slowly and don't force stretching your hand. Want to know more about healthy ways of playing? Come back to check out more videos. Once you are comfortable with the movements, shift your focus on the right hand melodies and ping-pong-like dialogues between two instruments.
Although it is very difficult to play with the piano,
Second track.
but listen to it again. Isn't it charming?
Perfection is great, but sometimes a little challenge might encourage us to play a piece differently. Most importantly, are you and the pianist having an interactive conversation?